Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rishi and you guys are watching Autotech review. Today I have got something really special for you guys. This is the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 Coupe. This SUV is a perfect blend between the luxury and sportiness. It's powerful, it's stylish, and it's definitely going to turn heads. From the sleek coupe design to the high-tech interior, Mercedes really nailed the balance between the comfort and performance. So in today's review, we are going to dive deep into what makes this new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe one of the most stylish and capable SUVs in its class. So let's get started. Before we start the review, I want to give a huge shout out to Mercedes-Benz Brampton and Pankaj for providing me this all new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe to do a review for you guys. I am going to mention their name and number in this video, and you will see his name in this video on the screen. So if you are in the market looking for a Benz, do check them out. If you want to get the price for this GLE 450, you can contact Pankaj directly or any other SUV that you want. Now let's start the review. Okay, so first of all, let's take a closer look at what you are getting under the hood for this all new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe to give this SUV the performance that they have. Under the hood, the 2026 GLE 450 Coupe comes with a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It produces about 375 horsepower and 369 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission which comes standard with the 4MATIC all-wheel drive. So you get a smooth power delivery and great traction in all conditions. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.3 seconds, which is really impressive for the luxury SUV for this size. Now let's go to the back and see the cargo space that you are getting in this new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe. Okay, so now if you take a look at the boot space that you are getting in this all new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe, to open the boot, you don't see any button here. You have to press this Mercedes logo from the top and the boot will open itself. Now if you talk about the cargo capacity, with the rear seats up, you are getting about 655 liters of cargo capacity, which is a really great number for this coupe of an SUV. And when you fold down the second row, the capacity will increase up to 1800 liters, which is a really impressive number for this coupe design. And if you want more space, you can fold down the second row. After folding down the second row, the cargo capacity will increase up to 1800 liters, which is not less than any other big SUV. Even though you have a coupe design in this SUV, you are still getting great amount of cargo capacity. Now let's talk about the tire sizes that you are getting in this new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe. So if you talk about the wheel sizes, the GLE 450 Coupe comes with big stylish wheels. Standard model gets about 20 inches alloy wheels, but you can also get up to 21 or even 22 inches depending on the package you choose. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at the design of this new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe. From the front, the 2026 GLE 450 Coupe looks bold and powerful. You get that big Mercedes grille with the large star right in the center, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives it a really strong presence on the road. Moving to the back, and it's all about that sleek coupe shape. The roofline smoothly slopes down into the rear, giving it that sporty, fast look even when it's standing still. The slim LED tail lights and the dual exhaust setup makes it look both elegant and aggressive. If we talk about the overall design, it's a perfect mix of luxury and sportiness. You can tell it's a Mercedes from every angle. So let me tell you about the price that you have to pay to get this new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe in your driveway. In US, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 Coupe starts at around 88,000 USD, and with the bigger wheels and extra luxury options, it can go up to $105 US. And in Canada, this 2026 GLE 450 Coupe starts at around 99,000 Canadian dollars for the base model and can go up to 120,000 Canadian dollars for the fully loaded model. So now let's get inside this all new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe and take a look at the luxury features that you are getting and the space that you have in the second row. So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm in the driving seat of this all new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe. Let's go ahead and take a look at the features and the storage options that I'm getting in this new GLE 450. First of all, I have this beautiful leather wrapped seat which are really comfortable. You have the Mercedes signature seat adjustable option on the door, which I can use to adjust the seat, and then you have the electronically adjustable steering wheel also in this Mercedes. As you can see, the interior and the dash looks really premium. With the beige and black combination, you are getting a really premium vibe when you sit inside this new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe. This is the combination of luxury and when you drive it, the sportiness. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at the steering wheel. Okay, so if you talk about the steering wheel in this all new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe, you get this leather wrapped steering wheel with the sporty design. You have got the touch sensitive controls on both sides to manage your digital display up front. You can put your navigation up on the screen, and you can also control the media without taking your hands off the steering wheel. You also get the heated steering wheel option, and if you go to the higher trim that I have with me right now, you get the Napa leather and the contrast stitching, which feels really amazing in the hand. If you take a closer look, you get this paddle shifters behind the steering wheel to give it a more sporty vibe. And on the left side behind the steering wheel, you have your indicators and your wiper controls. On the right side, you have this knob to control your drive, reverse and neutral, and also put it on parking. On the driver's door, you have your seat adjustable, which is standard in all Mercedes. You have your 3 memory save buttons here. You have your heated and ventilated seat options here. Then you have your Burmester speakers on this side. This is your door opening knob with the lock unlock button just inside that. If we come here, you have your handbrake here with the light controls and the display brightness on this side. If we talk about the overall feel, overall the interior looks really premium. You also get the ambient lighting here on the armrest, which adds up to the premium feel that you get inside. The ambient lighting, usually you get the feel in the night. It also changes colors. Overall feels really amazing inside. Just behind the steering wheel, you have your 12.3-inch driver's display and the same size display, which is 12.3-inch infotainment system here. You can control almost anything. You can put almost anything in this display. You also have few options to put on the display. Just behind the steering wheel, you get the 12.3-inch driver's display and the same size 12.3-inch infotainment display up front. The displays that you have are sharp, bright and easy to use. The system runs on the Mercedes-Benz latest MBUX interface, so you can control almost everything with the touch, voice command or the touchpad in the center that you have. You also have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both wireless, plus the features like navigation, customizable theme and even ambient lighting controls right through the screen. We go back, you have all the options here. This is all about the display that you have. Now if we come below the display, you have 4 AC vents here with the air volume control knob on both sides, which adds up to the feel of this SUV. Just below that, you have the physical buttons to control a few things in this SUV. You have your menu button here, you have your air volume control button here, auto button, max. These are all the AC controls that you have, and in the middle you have the emergency parking brake. Just below this, you have this big storage here, which is covered by this. If you want to see the storage, you just have to push this and the storage will reveal itself. You have your 2 cup holders here with the wireless charging pad just behind that, with the 2 USB-C ports as well, as you can see from the close. Behind that, you have your grabbing handle on both sides and you have your mouse pad here to control the screen with few buttons on top. This is your armrest. This is your hand rest here to put your hand while using this mouse. You have this parking assist, your fingerprint sensor here, and you have your navigation, map, radio and your volume control here on this side. Just behind that, you have some small storage here to put your keys, some stuff. This is your big armrest here. If you push this button, it reveals the storage underneath. You have big storage here and you have a USB-C port inside the storage. To close it, you just have to put it like this, and this is your glove box on this side. As you can see, you have the ambient lighting all around this SUV. Okay, so now I'm in the rear seat of this all new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe. Let's go ahead and talk about the space, the features and the storage options that you are getting in the back seats. First of all, if you talk about the seats are really comfortable. You get this leather wrapped seats all around this SUV with the black and beige combination. Interior is looking really amazing. Now if you talk about the space that I'm getting in the back seat, as you can see, I have more than enough legroom here. I have space to push my feet under the seat, and I also have more than enough headroom here as well. Even though you have this slope coming downwards from the back, still I'm getting more than enough headroom here as well. Okay, so now if you talk about the features that you're getting in the back, first of all, you get this Burmester speakers all around this SUV, giving you a solid sound experience. And then you have the heated seating option in the back. You are not getting ventilated seats, but you are getting heated seat options in the back. This is your armrest with the door opening knob and the windows controls here. This is your reading lights that you're getting with the hook to hang some coats if you have some meetings to go to. Then you have 2 AC vents here with the air volume control knob. You are getting 2 USB-C ports down there with the armrest here with 2 cup holders. That's it for the features. Let me tell you about the storage options that you're getting in the back. First of all, you have 2 cup holders here. You have some storage here, which is not a storage, just a gap which you can use sometimes. Then you have some big storage option here to put your phone while it's charging from the USB-C port. You have 2 storage pockets here behind the seat, and then you have a cup holder down there on the door. This is all the storage option that you're getting in the back seat of the all new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe. Okay, so that concluded our review for the all new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe. If you like like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more such car reviews like this, hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon to get the notifications at the same time. Again, if you are in the market, I'm going to mention Mercedes-Benz Brampton and Pankaj. You can contact him directly to get the information on this new 2026 GLE 450 Coupe. I'll mention his name and number in this video and also in the description section. You can also visit the Mercedes-Benz Brampton website to check out their inventory. They have the big inventory. So this is a good buy from me. I'll see you in the next review.